Hey guys, today we're going to be making some chicken biryani. Oh yes.
Let's get into it. The first step is to marinate the chicken. Second step, heat a pan on medium heat. Add in any plant-based oil or ghee followed by fragrant spices. Once the spices start to sizzle, add in the marinated chicken and saute for 15 minutes, stirring at regular intervals. The chicken masala is nearly ready. The chicken masala is ready.
Boil 2 cups of basmati rice. Third step is to assemble the biryani. First layer is the chicken masala, followed by chopped coriander. The second layer is basmati rice. Now, we're going to garnish this with natural saffron food coloring, fried onions and fresh coriander. We've now got to repeat this process once again. A good tip is to make sure that every layer is the exact same length, because you don't want a really thick layer of rice and a tiny thin layer of curry. Just keep that in mind. Wow, look at all those colours. Finally, the biryani is ready. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Bye.